Welcome to 555 Cooking Ideas, your friendly place for simple and delicious recipes from around the world. Today I will show you how to make traditional Korean kimchi step by step. Kimchi is a famous Korean fermented food loved for its bold flavor and health benefits. Kimchi paste starts with fresh ingredients. Chop garlic finely. Chop a small piece of ginger. Chop one small onion. Blend garlic, ginger and onion into a paste. Korean chili powder gives kimchi its color and heat. Add chili powder into a mixing bowl. Add fish sauce or soy sauce for umami flavor. Add a little sugar to balance the spice. Mix until a thick red paste forms. Alright, slice carrots into thin strips. Next, chop spring onions into pieces. Now, add carrots and spring onions to the paste. Mix everything well, making sure it all comes together nicely. Now we combine the cabbage and paste. Rub the paste gently onto every cabbage leaf. Wearing gloves helps protect your hands, by the way. Make sure the paste covers evenly. Place the kimchi into a clean jar. Press gently to remove air pockets just like that. Leave some space at the top. Close the lid loosely for fermentation. Don't tighten it all the way. Leave the kimchi at room temperature. Fermentation begins naturally, and you'll notice small, bubbles show fermentation is active. Taste after 1 or 2 days, see how you like it. Move the kimchi to the fridge to slow fermentation. The flavor becomes richer over time. Kimchi is ready to serve. Serve kimchi as a side dish. Kimchi tastes great with rice. You can also cook kimchi in soups and stews. You know, kimchi is known for being good for digestion. And oh, by the way, this recipe can be made vegetarian easily. Kimchi actually keeps well in the fridge. And honestly, the taste just gets better as it ages. Homemade kimchi really connects food and tradition, bringing a bit of culture right into your kitchen. Your homemade Korean kimchi is ready to enjoy. You are watching 555 Cooking Ideas. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe for more world-famous recipes. Press the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Thank you for cooking along with me today. Take care, enjoy your kimchi, and see you again in the next delicious video from 555 Cooking Ideas.